Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Today, we're going to be creating a spread in my wellness and in my meal planner. We're going to start with my meal planner. It is called Cooking 101, and I'm going to be using these two sticker books from Easter Case. They're these smaller books that I found a while back. It has a lot of like dry flowers and yellow flowers, as well as this one that has a lot of fall books. Trees. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I'm so excited you're here. So yeah, look at this beautiful image of this bridge with all of these fall trees. So that's what I'm using in my spread today. Look at this reindeer too. Not reindeer, just a deer. Super cute. So, and I do have this book that is just like English. It's different words with different fonts. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out some of this stuff here. It's like happy food and stuff like that that I want to include in here. So I'm just cutting this. This is like a washi material. So it is that paper sticker tape. So yeah, I'm gonna use that. Look how cute. So we're gonna put it right there. And I'm gonna keep going because I probably do need at least another one. And we're gonna just use this Very Tan Eat. I think that's gonna work well too in my planner. So I'm gonna just put this on the back of my hand while I'm creating the spread. I also have this other book called English, and I also might be pulling from that if I still need more. So let's see what I can put in here. This is a fully clear book, you guys, so it is super nice. The only problem with it is actually pulling stickers out. Like seeing it, you do need a white paper underneath. So these stickers are called Secret Garden, and I'm just adding a couple things to both sides. And this is my newest edition from Easter Case. It's just a little book full of dolls and girls, and I thought that would be kind of fun to add. And they are sectioned by color. So there's like a yellow and an orange, and I thought that will be kind of fun to add in here. Let's go ahead and pull two girlies. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Okay. And I can remove this line and put eat. Look at that. Yeah, I really like how this is coming out. So I just need a couple more little things to add in here to make it look kind of full or fuller, and then I can go ahead and start meal planning. This saves me so much time during the week. I don't know how many of you have a conversation with your spouse, what is for dinner. For us, that's no longer an issue. We have a plan every single day, and it's super easy. Sometimes we do kind of go away from the plan a little bit if something comes up or we are fully exhausted, but it doesn't happen too much. So there's that. I'm gonna cut out those peaches and then see if I can add that in there too. I think that's such a cute font. So let's see if that works for me. So the only downside of this is the actual like cutting out of the words. You have to be careful to make sure that you don't rip or kind of cut the other words. So yeah, but there's that. So I can go ahead and start creating the meal plan in just a second. Okay, so when I'm looking at the spread, I'm still missing something. So I'm gonna look into the yellow flower book. is also on clear, and see if I can make a border or something out of these to add a little bit of a flair into the spread. Like I am missing something, I'm not sure what it is, but it is kind of like there's nothing in between all of the meal plans. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a room to put something in between, but I know that I can do that on the edges. So hopefully I can create a little bit of a view up there. Look how pretty that is. So I want to add a little bit more of that gold and like bring it up. So let's see if I can accomplish this with just these florals. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, I think that's pretty decent. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more, and there we go. I think that looks good. And now I can go ahead and pop this back in my planner and create the meal plan. I do tend to meal plan once my pages are on discs, and I do like to flip my planner. So we have toast for breakfast on Monday, protein box, which for me is usually some kind of lunch meat, turkey or chicken. Then I usually add more protein in some way, shape, or form. So this time we're gonna add some veggies with bell peppers and cheese cubes. So the bell peppers are usually stuffed with goat cheese. It's one of my favorite little snacks, and I like doing that for myself. So we're gonna do chicken enchiladas on Monday for dinner. And then on Tuesday, I think I'm gonna have some cottage cheese for breakfast. With like tomatoes, maybe even cucumbers, kind of like a Mediterranean thing. And then again, protein box for lunch. Those are just super easy to prepare, and they're really nutritious and keep me full. So I'm gonna make a little wrap with chicken, almost like those pinwheels, but instead of cutting them into like 2-inch or 1-inch little things, I'm just gonna cut that in half. Then we're gonna do mini bell peppers, and then slice the apple. And then for dinner, we can have Indian butter chickpeas. I really like that recipe. It is the butter chicken recipe, but instead of chicken, you use chickpeas, and they're amazing. So there's toast for breakfast on Wednesday, another protein box for lunch. Those are just the easiest to take out on top of my desk and just eat it as I'm working. I usually work through my lunch, so there's that. And then crackers with some lunch meat, hummus, and veggies. I love my hummus. I also like adding hummus to salads, you guys. If you never tried it, I highly recommend it. For dinner, I'm gonna have mussels with veggies and pasta. That's always a staple dish in our household, so we'll keep at it. On Thursdays, for breakfast, I'll have 2 hard-boiled eggs. And then Thursday, protein box again. On the days that I'm working, I think that's the easiest. Not only that, but it's not a meal that I have to heat up, so I can just take it out and eat. So we have another chicken wrap, and then cheese cubes and hummus with veggies. I think that's gonna be super easy for me. So I'm gonna make like a burger bowl, which is a beef bowl with veggies, and then instead of rice, I use barley, so that'll be good. On Friday, I have toast with tomato for breakfast. I usually don't eat lunch on Fridays, but I'll do like nuts and snacks. And then brown sugar salmon for dinner. Okay, And then Saturday, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe chorizo skillet. And we're gonna do snacks again. Fruit and nuts and veggies. We don't typically eat lunch, we eat breakfast and dinner. So that's pretty easy to make that happen. For dinner, we're gonna go ahead and do fork and knife fries. If you never had that, it's with pulled pork or pulled turkey or some kind of meat, and you put it over fries with a lot of sauce, and it's almost like nachos, but with fries instead. So then we have quiche, which I'm going to make it out of veggies, and then we're going to do snacks again on Sunday, as we don't do lunch typically unless it's some kind of gathering, but we usually just stick to a later breakfast and just snacks. And then I'm gonna make Mary Me chicken for dinner, probably with some mashed potatoes. So that is my plan for the week. Now we can go ahead and create my wellness plan. So this planner is called Celestial Elegance. I did have to use the correction tape as the dots from the previous week have shadowed through, and I really don't like that. For this particular planner, I'm going to be using Crafty Planner Queen's stickers. Her fall ones, look at this, because fall starts on Sunday or Saturday, and yeah, it's time. So I'm gonna add all of these lovely things. I've been seeing pumpkins all over Little Farms by us, so that is so adorable. I'm so excited to see them. Fall is definitely in the air, at least where I am. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going and adding all of these different images until we are done. So first are the 3 girls and then the 1 girl on the other side. I think that looks super great. And then I can add Crafty Planner Queen so I remember where the stickers are from, you guys. But look at these florals. Wow, right? So fall appropriate. And then I found this cherry in one of her stickers too, and I thought that was so cozy and looks so cozy. I'm ready to just go up there. So pumpkin spice everything. We're gonna put a little tea kettle, like pouring onto the pumpkin. And then adding some florals. Look at that. I'm gonna add some butterflies. I really do think the spread is coming out so cute. Her stickers are adorable. If you guys want a discount, you can use Kasha15 for 15% off. It is amazing. Like I said, her stickers are awesome. You do have to print them yourself and cut them. I think she does offer now physical stickers as well. So if you don't want to do that, you could always get a physical sticker from her. Okay, next up, I just want to add like one more thing somewhere so it's not so empty. I'm just looking through all the pages to see if I can add anything else. So I'm gonna add this cinnamon bunch in there, because what is fall without a great smell of cinnamon, right? Okay, so this is pretty much done. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know down below, and I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.